Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was just chilling out outside when my husband said, hey, you got something in the mail. Today is Sunday. It's like Sunday, June 14th, okay? And I received my Boxy Charm in the mail. This is the Boxy Premium, not the base. I already received the Boxy Luxe, so this is the Premium. So I said, frick it, I'm just gonna unbox it and show everybody what I got. So if you wanna know what I got, then just, you know what you gotta do? Just keep on watching. Alright, let's do it. I'm not going to talk about it because according to all the comments on my previous video, no one cares, so I'm just going to continue the thread. This is what it looks like. This is the Boxy Charm Premium, and this is the little info card. I got variation number 36, and you'll find your variation number in the bottom right corner of the little info card, so we'll keep that to the side so we can talk furthermore about the products that we got. This brush, it's like a dual-sided brush, and this is a $1 billion brush. It's really soft. I'm guessing it's like the same brand that we got in my Boxy Luxe, the charcoal, antimicrobial, all that good stuff. So let's see, it retails for $30, and it's actually really soft. The next thing that I see in my box, this is the Kat Von D Inkwell liner. I think I have gotten this item before, so I'm going to put it aside for a giveaway. This retails for $20. A matte eyeliner, and it's a long wear. It's waterproof and transfer resistant, so that's good, and no smudging at all, so it says. So yeah, I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to put this in my giveaway pile. Cool. I'm sorry to tell you and to inform you that I got something really good in my box. And I got the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And I'm actually let me put this to the side so it doesn't keep blowing up in my face. I'm actually really excited to have gotten this because I really wanted this. So that's really good. And this packaging is actually really heavy. I like the box. It's really cute. Really cocoa-y. I'm not sure that that's a word, but you know what I mean. So it's really beautiful. It has this satin touch, and again the chromy gold in the back. It's really heavy, and it has a heart detail right here. So let me open this up. Oh wow. It comes with a nice mirror, and then it has a deep 3 highlights and then 3 contours. Let me show you what they look like. Where's that info card? It blew away. Let me go find it. It retails for $44. The next thing that we got, this is a Skin & Company by Roma, and it's a Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel Douche, the Italian collection. And it's a limited edition number 9. It's free of... How do you say this? It's PHTHALATES. Phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils. Promise you to take you back to the island of sardines. Just kidding. Sardinia. This summer. Smells good. Not a fan. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Lemongrass and wild orange. Definitely has that citrusy scent to it. I will definitely put this away for my giveaway pile. This retails for $22. And we got a cream lipstick, and this is the shade Motorhead. This retails $20. Unbelievably pigmented lipstick. Whoever crossed your lips. That's a lot of promise. I like this packaging. It's a very textured packaging, very 3D, pretty cool. Same with this packaging. Ooh. It's a very dark color. Very stunning. It's like a very dark brown. This is very beautiful. And then next we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, and this is a moisturizing and firming mask. I am currently using some other face products, so as well I will be putting this in my giveaway pile. And this is from Glow Recipe. This retails for $49. It has antioxidant rich avocado exfoliating PHA, and it's the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. Let me read that again. The most gentle form of retinol, comma, encapsulated retinol. That's what it says. Okay, so I had to bring the box back inside because it got like super windy outside. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this, because it's a dual size, I'm going to count it as 2 products. So 5, 6. We got 5.5 full-size products, which is, I think, is really good. I think overall this box was really, really good. Still, the Luxe was the better box this month, I would have to say, personally. So I'm going to put some giveaway details in the description box down below. If you're interested, then just go down there and check that out. In order to participate, leave me a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, like my video, and share it with your friends. Give me like your favorite item from this month's Boxy Charm and contact info so I know how to get in touch with you. Overall, I think this box was really good. I paid $37.10 for this box, and the whole MSRP of this box, adding everything, it adds up to $185. You get a lot of payoff. So I think that's really good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell to get notified all the time of my future uploads. I upload 2 videos every week. If you're a current subscriber, thank you. You're the bomb. If you're new, welcome to the club. Bye.